What's the meaning of castrate? Castrate. Castrate.
Castrate. Castrate. Castrate refers to the surgical removal or destruction of the testicles in male animals or humans. The result is that the person or animal will be unable to reproduce and may experience a decrease in testosterone levels and a loss of secondary sexual characteristics such as facial hair and muscle mass. In some cases, castration may be performed for medical reasons, such as to treat testicular cancer or prevent the spread of certain diseases. In other cases, it may be performed on animals to control breeding and aggressive behavior.